Hello everyone. Today I will explain to you how to create the flows as a ramp style and the same day how we can able to go for the uh, railings. Okay, right. So first of all, I can go to choose the floor. So I will choose the floor like go to choose it, edit, and I can go for 150. I can delete this one, so I just leave only this one. Okay. Right, so I can go to create my flow like this. Okay, right. After that, I can go to choose my modify sub elements. So I can add one, two, three, four. So I added for 4 points again. Just click go to sub element. Here I can go to choose around 4000 mm, and even here also I can go for 4000. And again here I can go for 4000, and here also I can go to choose this point. I will choose this one also, edit, can choose this one also 4000. Okay, now again I can go to choose this one. I can go for 2000 height, and even here also I can go for 2000, and I will leave like 0. Now I can go to choose my 3D. So I create that like this way. Okay, I create the levels floor like the ramp style. Okay, so now I can select this two, go to modify. If you want, I can select this one. So I can put it around 1000. So I can go for 1000, and even this one also I can go for 1000. Okay, so see now you can understand how I did this the way the slow. Now I can go back to my level one. Okay, so I can go for VR, visibility graphics. I can go for 4000, and I can here also I can go for 4000 because I can able to see the full. Now I can go to choose my railings. I can select this line and select this line. Apply. Okay. So I just do this one. So first I click from one side and apply. Again, I can go back to my railings. I can select from this side and apply. Now I can go back to my 3D, so see my railings are showing like this way. So how I can able to fix like beside these flows? So I just select, go to pick a new host, I just pick here, and again I can select, I can go to pick the host. Now you can understand how it will be fix it from my wall, my flow. See, it's the easiest way we can able to create like this ramp style flows. It's it's very useful to use the projects. Okay, so try this one. This very easiest way you can able to use this. Okay, so main part when you select this one, you should go to choose the pick host. It's important. Okay, the pick host is very important. Even when I select this one, I can go to choose like a different kind of styles. Got it? So this is a way we can able to create like floor with the railing in the project. Thank you so much.